Hey YouTube, got another freebie here. A Bolens by MTD, 21-inch push mower, rear bag mulch. It's the Briggs & Stratton 550 series with 158 cc, 5.50 gross torque. Got this for free from a family friend. He had it for several years, couldn't keep it running. Your classic carburetor symptoms, it would run and then it would just die out. So it's got your classic style primer carb tank built in one. Clean that out, gave it fresh oil change. The muffler's a little bit loose, but it's not that bad. But it's free. This is not a cold start. I've had it running. Got the WD out, lubed all the wheel adjusters and the brake cable. Got that all freed up. It was a little bit stiff. Other than that, it's a one pull wonder. Like I said, this is not a cold start, but it'll start on the first pull now with just 3 primes from cold. And this one will be going up for sale in Raleigh, North Carolina. So if anybody's interested, send me a message on here. Could set something up. I'm asking $100 or best offer. It does have a bag, and it is a mulching style deck. So, like, subscribe, comment. Have a nice evening.